Hey guys, welcome back. We have a Chicago vlog and I'm headed to Bottega Veneta. They are having a conversation with Chicago artist, visionary Amanda Williams. It's gonna be a fun afternoon.
Something like this, but somebody buying Fendi, doesn't necessarily want to be like 4 hours.
I feel like it's one of the most complex, complicated.
Quick update. So after the Bottega event, I headed downstairs. I chatted with Brandon, my essay, and he showed me the Chow Chow. Guys, the Chow Chow is even better in person. I tried it on in the medium size, and that slouch, that calfskin leather, it's so good. He did have a small size. It's like a gray color, but I definitely like it in the medium size. I don't know. I go back and forth between the Chow Chow and the Andiamo. Both are beautiful bags, so that's gonna be a tough one. I did want to head over to Fendi, see if they have my bag charm. I think Jamie, my Fendi essay, she's working, so we will go see what's going on in Fendi.
And then we do have, and we can look at these ones later. But we do have some so cute new for summer collections.
We did it. From Fendi. Okay, they had this romper. It's on my wish list for New York. And this would be so fun for spring, summer. I actually think this is the right size. The color, it's so cute. What do we think? So I am back home. It was a cloudy, rainy day in Chicago, so I decided to put on some casual comfy wear, but I did want to show you guys a quick clip of my outfit of the day, what I wore to the Bottega Veneta event. So yeah, I do have my bag of the day, which is my Bottega Veneta Teen Jody bag in this gorgeous fondant color, and I love it. You guys can see this color, it's so good. So what did I pick up? After the Bottega event, I did head over to Neiman Marcus. I decided to stop at Celine, check out some of their handbags. And guys, there is this bag, kind of like loving, I think it's called the Nino bag. That one, it's got a top handle. I am a sucker for a top handle, right? But this bag, it's so special. I just love it. It is very tempting. And I know I kind of killed off the whole Triumph bag, but now that it has a handle on it, I feel like it's a totally different bag for me. And I love how it's like the cute size. Let me know. They have some couple different colors, seasonal ones, but that handbag is definitely going on my list and on my mind, other than, of course, the Andiamo and Chow Chow bag from Bottega Veneta. But I did want to share, while I was there with my essay, she did give me this cute bag, and it's some samples. She was so adamant about giving me some of these fragrance samples, including black tie. This is one that I haven't tried. I haven't tried any Celine fragrances, even though I'm a big Celine lover. Parade, and then this other one too. I don't even know what this one is, but there you guys go. So I have 3 different ones. I'm really excited, especially the black tie. It's pretty popular. I'm gonna check these out. Let me know, have you tried Celine fragrances? If you have, let me know if you like them. What are your thoughts on it? I'm excited to try these. I'm really into more fruity fragrances lately with the spring and summer months. So that's the first one. Just a little bonus. Okay, this next one, it is from Neiman Marcus. I had to go try on a couple of outfits, and you guys know I'm in like my pink phase, right? So they had this item, which was on the New York wish list, right? And I thought this is perfect for like spring, summer months, birthdays, I don't know. But who doesn't love a good romper? So this one here, look at this print. The print is so good with the colors. I just really thought it was so pretty. And then I thought it looked really nice with my hair color. It's fun. I love rompers. I don't know. Something, they're so fun. And this is from the AGENCE brand, which is one of my favorite brands other than probably Aritzia. And they're definitely at a higher price point, but I love their clothes. So I'm going to be trying to get more from this brand over the next couple months. And this was the only size. And I got it in a size 8, and I felt like it was meant to be. This is the next one. I did stop into Fendi, and I saw my essay Jamie. Yes, Jamie and Jamie. My essay's name is Jamie, and she's the best. And she had this item. There's actually another item. Have to order it. So that is coming, and that will be in a separate video for you guys, because I actually have another little luxury unboxing for you guys too. But this one I'm so excited because you guys know that I talked about this, and I think it's so cute and perfect. So, and this is the first time we're gonna see it together since I got it in the store. Here we are, this box. And you guys, it was in the wish list for New York, so you guys know, and they had it. I couldn't believe it, because if you remember when I went to New York, I looked for it in the Short Hills Mall in New Jersey, and they did not have this one. By the way, Fendi has some amazing bags. It's been a while since I've been in that boutique, but the denim bags and even the mauve baguette. But I will say I'm kind of like loving the denim bags. Very tempting. I'm just gonna grab this. It's a cute little dust bag. And here we have the cutest bag charm. Isn't this the cutest thing? My little honey jar. And it opens up too. I can't. So just, here it is. I know it's an expensive bag charm, but you know what, guys? I'm very curated when it comes to like bag charms. I do have one on my Birkin, but this one is very special because you guys know I talked about adding this to my Margot in that beautiful jam color, given the whole honey and jam situation. In fact, let me go grab it so we can experience the bag charm and bag together. Okay, here she is. This is a bag I took to New York, if you remember. In here, oh my, I'm so excited actually for this. Here we go. Oh my, Okay guys, isn't this perfect? You've got my Margot bag in the jam color with the cutest honey pot. Jam, honey jam, jam and honey, loving it. I feel like this is so cute, especially knowing that this Margot bag, it's got that whole minimalist vibe. It needs a little something, a twilly, the perfect bag charm. It's so special because of the color combination with this. And I love how it's the perfect like neutral. I think this is very me and I'm so excited. So let me know what you guys think. Honestly guys, I did not expect I would ever get this type of bag charm, but you know what? Sometimes with these very special pieces in my collection, it's just perfection, is it not? I like love it. I simply love it. So there you go. I do have, like I said, another Fendi unboxing coming soon that's being shipped to my house, so you guys will see that probably in the next video. But there you go. Okay guys, well that is it. I hope you enjoyed today's Chicago vlog and unboxings. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.